Hi, hello, namaste, all viewers. And we are with a product which is very important for the motor vloggers. Hope you all know what it is. Yes, it's a mobile holder. Apart from the camera, the most important thing for the motor vloggers is helmet mobile holder. Yeah, it helps us to hold our mobile or the camera to the helmet and help you to take the amazing videos. What are you waiting for? Let's dive into the video. Yeah, so here is the product which we bought it from Amazon, and it offers a easy installation and a good grip to the helmet. So let's unbox it. Yeah, if you can see here, it consists of 4 parts: one mobile holder, one J mount, one screw, and one helmet holder. That's it. Yeah, so please go to the video till the end and see the installation process as well. Hope it helps you, and as you all know, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.